Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Vercel with a no-code front-end workflow easy tutorial step-by-step clearly. Start by signing into your Vercel account at vercel.com. If you don't have an account, create one using your email or GitHub. Once logged in, you will be directed to the Vercel dashboard. To start a new project, click on the New Project button on the dashboard. You will be prompted to connect a Git repository. Choose the version control platform you prefer, such as GitHub or GitLab. Authorize Vercel to access your repositories as needed. Select the repository that contains your front-end code. After selecting the repository, you can configure the build settings. Review the framework detected by Vercel. If the framework is incorrect, manually select the appropriate one from the list. Click on the Deploy button to initiate the deployment process. Vercel will now build and deploy your project. Once deployment is complete, the deployment logs will show you the progress. You will receive a unique URL for your deployed project. Open the URL to see your live front-end application. To manage environment variables, go to the settings of your project. Enter any required environment variables in the designated fields. You can also set up custom domains through the settings. For custom domains, click on the Domain section and follow the prompts. After your domain is verified, you can access your project through it. To update your project, make changes in your front-end code and push them to your Git repository. Vercel automatically redeploys your project with each push. Monitor your project's performance and analytics from the Vercel dashboard. Explore other features like preview deployments for collaboration. Utilize integrations for additional functionalities as needed. With your project configured, you are now ready to create without code limitations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.